Hello and welcome back to Embedded World Live TV. We made it to the booth of Cadence, and with me there's Amol, who will give us a little insight on what we actually find here.
Hello, how are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you? How was the day so far?
It's been awesome. It's great to be back at Embedded World again after 2 years. My first time was in 2020. It was a great opportunity. It's good to see everybody back and meet customers in person, have in-person meetings, and actually it feels good because I think this year it's a lot bigger and more people have actually shown up since 2022. So looks like everybody is ready to be back, and it's good to see everyone, including yourself, here again this year.
I think so too. I think a lot of people are enjoying exactly that. We're standing here straight next to this installation. Maybe you want to give us some insight on what is Cadence all about? What is this actually behind us?
Sure. The big pitch of Cadence is, Cadence is a very large company. We do a lot of tools for EDA and PCB design. Aside from that, we are also a very successful semiconductor IP licensee. So we license what we call design IP, which is things like the DDRs, PHYs, SerDes, etc. I'm from the group called Tensilica, which is focused on DSP IPs and processor IPs, bringing computer vision and AI to the edge, enabling all sorts of intelligence and making our devices smarter.
And what do we have back here?
Sure. So here's basically we're showcasing a demonstration from one of our customers, Black Sesame. They have designed a product which features our Tensilica Vision DSPs. So Vision DSPs are used for doing AI and computer vision processing. So in one case, the example over here is to do analytics for ADAS, or the advanced driver assistance systems. So what we're showing over here is you've got 4 camera streams, and you can simulate sort of a camera looking in front of the vehicle, one looking in the back, one looking at the right, one looking at the left. Now, the cameras have pre-recorded this video, but the actual processing of detecting these vehicles, where there are boundaries, etc., is all happening hardware in the loop, actually on the hardware itself. So there is the Tensilica IP, which is doing this processing of detecting where the vehicles are, where are the different boundaries, and then also we're doing this custom calculation of creating this bird's eye view, giving you a simulation of what it looks like if you were on top of the vehicle, and essentially what it's doing is doing smart parking or giving you some type of parking assistance. So that way, when you're driving around, you can see, it shows you that there's a parking spot over here or there's a parking spot over here. Makes it a lot easier to park rather than having to go somewhere and somebody steals your parking spot.
Just wanted to say that I need that. That's amazing.
It's an awesome and cool application. And then also just to point out that Black Sesame by themselves, they also generate their own IP for doing some of the advanced neural net processing. And our Tensilica DSP works alongside with their neural processor. And this way we have these really cool solutions and demos working live in real time, which are able to be deployed actually in automotive solutions.
Nice, thank you. Amol, I just saw, or it's not, you cannot not see it. You're not only exhibitor, you're also an award winner of the Embedded World Award. How did it feel? Give us some insights. How did your team party yesterday night?
Yeah, it was just awesome. We came back to, I wasn't expecting like a techno or a rave when I came over here, but it was awesome to see everybody having a blast. There was techno music going on over there. There was food. People were dancing on the tables and all. This is the kind of energy we'd like to see. And we just wanted to point out that like here, it's very nice that we had our newest product, Vision P1 DSP, which is the demo on the other side, and it was nominated over here for an award, and we got a special call out for it. So we're very happy about this, and it's a big team effort that we were able to be highlighted with this achievement.
So congratulations again to the entire team, and I think you just made it to the point, the energy that we're experiencing, this is what everybody missed most. Last question from my side, Amol. Thinking of Embedded World in 3 words, what comes to your mind?
I'll be back.
I love it. Thank you so much for your insights, and enjoy the rest of the stay.